At Claros Technologies, we built ClarosLabs to do one thing better than anybody else. Detect and understand PFAS with unmatched precision, because before you can destroy these chemicals, you have to know how to detect them.
We became PFAS detection experts so that we could become PFAS destruction experts. And we are detection experts through the work of people like Beryl.
Meet Dr. Beryl Shah, one of the world's foremost experts in mass spectrometry to identify PFAS.
I lead and manage the analytical laboratories at Claros Technologies. The lab focuses on PFAS analysis. Before I joined Claros, I was a staff scientist at Stanford University focusing on mass spectrometry analysis pharmaceutical molecules. Our lab is unique and special because the lab not only have the most cutting-edge equipment for targeted and non-targeted PFAS analysis, but also have a group of highly trained specialists. To efficiently destroy PFAS, one needs to fully understand what kind of PFAS problem they have in the sense of what kind of PFAS and at what concentration level. Therefore, detection is the first step to destroy PFAS, and it is also the last step to confirm that PFAS is destroyed.
That's why ClarosLabs doesn't just run samples. We investigate with forensic focus, using advanced methodologies and instruments that are continually refined. From long chain to ultra short chain, we screen for over 9,000 PFAS compounds and quantify for more than 40, and our capabilities are always expanding. When existing methods fall short, we develop our own, setting new industry standards along the way. And we're also the world's only fully mobile PFAS lab, ready to deploy anywhere our clients need us.
A lot of times customers will approach us because they want to understand the scope of their liability. In some cases, you are meeting with a customer and they may not know the full extent of what they have, and they're asking you to, help them get a handle on their problem.
ClarosLabs is even able to identify the maker of specific PFAS, almost like genetic fingerprinting for specific compounds. That kind of traceability helps inform remediation strategies, regulatory compliance, and legal defense tactics, making ClarosLabs the first step towards full PFAS mitigation. ClarosLabs takes health and safety seriously and operates out of a hardened, secure data facility.
Data security and client confidentiality are paramount in our lab.
Thanks to its robust capabilities, ClarosLabs is privileged to be able to work with a variety of clients across an array of industrial sectors, from PFAS manufacturers all the way to fashion, aerospace, or the food industry. We partner with legal counsel under attorney-client privilege for confidential PFAS assessments. We also verify third-party remediation results and trace PFAS from raw inputs to final goods, an investigative process we continually enhance with new tools and methods.
And that's really important from a litigation perspective, because as regulatory bodies and as legal groups start to scrutinize more, you need to have a deep understanding of your current position within the PFAS space. And as you start to get this scrutiny, that developing the understanding is really important. And that's where Claros Analytical Laboratory can support you. Finding PFAS in water is a very different endeavor than finding PFAS in baby food, finding PFAS in a consumer product. Those will all behave very differently in the laboratory. And you may not even be looking for the same PFAS compounds.
Built on precision, backed by science, powered by a world-class team. This is ClarosLabs, the global standard for commercial PFAS testing and analytical